Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back. And we'll start from last topic, that is depreciation. Now, what is an useful life of an asset is called? Basically it is an estimate. In depreciation calculation, the useful life of an asset is basically an estimate. And the second is under the WDV, written down value method, depreciation of the asset is always greater than zero. You remember both these things. And depletion is a word which is used for the depreciation in natural resources. That's all. Now come to factor and factoring. Friends, I want to tell you that in JIB and CIB both this will come for at least one marks, and no numerical on this. They will write some 3-4 lines and ask the questions, and if you read this or go through these slides, you are not required to do anything else. So what is factoring? Factoring is defined as a continuing agreement between a financial institution is also called factor, and the business concern, that is exporter or seller. Factor and factoring both are agreement for exporters or sellers. Then what factor does? Factor purchases the client book debt either with or without recourse. Please note it down. This is very important. In factoring, purchase of client book is debt either with or without recourse. It may be with recourse or without recourse. But in forfeiting, it is without recourse. And second is controls credit extended to the customer and administers the sales ledger. And factoring is introduced, very important, please note it down, introduced in 90s by Kalyan Sundram Committee. Factoring is introduced in India by Kalyan Sundram Committee in 90s. And now what factor provides to its client or seller or exporter? Debt administration, credit protection, factor finance up to 75 to 80%. This is one difference also between forfeiting and factor. Factor finance only 75 to 80%, but in forfeiting it is 100%. And advisory services for new areas. If some small MSME is there, or small industry is there which want to invest in new, then it provides advisory services also. Next one is forfeiting. Forfeiting is another product for financing export receivables. It is a mechanism for financing by discounting of export receivables without recourse of exporter or seller. Mind it, in last factoring it is with or without recourse of the exporter or seller, but in forfeiting it is without recourse for a medium term on a fixed rate basis for volume of contract or invoice. And this next one is 100% finance against invoice. In forfeiting 75 to 80% only. Up to 12 months is called short period. Are done against the bill of exchange or the promissory note duly accepted by the importer and guaranteed by his bank. That's all for GIB personal. For CIB it is some more 2-3 lines are there. I will make it in the next. Thank you.